In this section, we will learn how to use the online tool Piano Booster to load and play songs in MIDI format and follow along with the keyboard. Piano Booster is a free program that plays standard MIDI files and allows you to change the speed of playback and transpose the music. It also shows you the notes for just one part from all the parts in the complete musical arrangement. You can play along with a MIDI piano keyboard, and Piano Booster will listen and follow what you are playing. It will also show you if you are playing the right or wrong notes and if you are ahead or behind of the beat. Piano Booster can help you improve your piano playing skills and learn new songs in a fun and easy way. To use Piano Booster, you need to download and install it from https://www.pianobooster.org/. You also need a MIDI keyboard connected to your computer and a general MIDI sound font file. A sound font is a collection of instrument sounds that Piano Booster uses to play the MIDI files. You can download the recommended sound font from https://www.pianobooster.org/download. HTML. Once you have installed Piano Booster and the sound font, you can launch the program and see the main window. It has a menu bar, a toolbar, a musical stave, a piano keyboard, and a status bar. The menu bar has options for setting up MIDI devices, loading MIDI files, changing display settings, and accessing help. The toolbar has buttons for controlling playback, such as play, pause, stop, rewind, fast forward, loop, speed, transpose, and volume. The musical stave shows the notes for the current part that you are playing along with. The piano keyboard shows the keys that you press on your MIDI keyboard. The status bar shows information such as song title, tempo, time signature, key signature, current bar number, and accuracy. To load a MIDI file, you can use the File/Open menu option or click on the folder icon on the toolbar. You can browse your computer for any standard MIDI file that you want to play. You can also use the Booster Music course that comes with Piano Booster. It is a collection of MIDI files and sheet music that are designed for learning piano with Piano Booster. You can find it in your music folder on your PC under Booster Music Books. When you load a MIDI file, Piano Booster will automatically detect the left and right hand parts if they are held in separate MIDI tracks. You can also choose which part you want to play along with by using the Part/Choose Part menu option or clicking on the hand icon on the toolbar. You can select from Solo, play only your part, both, play both hands, left hand, play only left hand, right hand, play only right hand, or none, play no part. You can also change the instrument sound for your part by using the Part/Instrument menu option or clicking on the instrument icon on the toolbar. To start playing along with Piano Booster, you can use the Transport/Play menu option or click on the Play button on the toolbar. Piano Booster will start playing the MIDI file from the beginning or from where you left off. You can see the notes scrolling on the musical stave and hear them played by Piano Booster. You can also see your own notes as colored lines on the stave and hear them played by a different instrument sound. The color of your notes depends on whether they are right or wrong. Green means right, red means wrong, yellow means too early, and blue means too late. You can also see white crosses over each note that show if you are ahead or behind of the beat. Piano Booster will follow your playing when playing along with a musical accompaniment. If you stop or make a mistake, Piano Booster will wait for you to find and play the correct notes before continuing. This way, you can practice at your own pace and learn from your errors. You can also adjust the speed of playback by using the Transport/Speed menu option or clicking on the Speed button on the toolbar. You can increase or decrease the speed by 10% increments or enter a custom value in percent or beats per minute. You can also transpose the music by using the Transport/Transpose menu option or clicking on the Transpose button on the toolbar. You can raise or lower the pitch by semitones or enter a custom value in semitones or key signatures. Transposing can help you play songs in different keys or match your vocal range. You can change the start bar to start playing from any bar in the music by using the transport/start bar menu option or clicking on the start bar button on the toolbar. You can enter a bar number or use arrows to move forward or backward by one bar. You can also repeat a section of bars by using the transport/repeat bars menu option or clicking on the repeat bars button on the toolbar. You can enter a start bar and an end bar or use arrows to adjust them. Repeating bars can help you practice a difficult passage or focus on a specific part of the song. To stop playing along with Piano Booster, you can use the transport/stop menu option or click on the stop button on the toolbar. Piano Booster will stop playing the MIDI file and reset the position to the start bar. You can also pause the playback by using the transport/pause menu option or clicking on the pause button on the toolbar. Piano Booster will pause playing the MIDI file and keep the position at the current bar. To exit Piano Booster, you can use the File/Exit menu option or click on the Close button on the window. Piano Booster will close and save your settings for next time. That's how to use Piano Booster to load and play songs in MIDI format and follow along with keyboard. Piano Booster is a great tool for learning piano in a fun and easy way. You can find more information about Piano Booster at https://www.pianobooster.org/. You can also join their user forum at https://groups. Google.com/g/pianobooster users. Happy playing!